Resolve your back pain by moving your spine. Even in the most severe low back pain cases, establishing a morning mobility routine can be the difference between you feeling stuck in pain and living the life you're dreaming of. And this morning mobility routine I'm going to show you has gathered over 1.5 million views on my pages because of how effective it has been for so many out there. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, and we've helped thousands with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to teach you a low back pain morning mobility routine that could change your life forever. Now, the first thing we need to understand is that low back pain is the #1 disability in the world, costing healthcare over $100 billion a year and is impacting so many. So we do not have a good handle on treating low back pain. 80% of human beings alive will experience low back pain at some point, and the vast majority will get sucked right into the standard biomedical model, which is the reason for such poor outcomes. This model consists of going to your general provider and saying, I have back pain, and then going, hey, I don't really know, go get an image, and then you get an MRI, and it tells you all these scary things, and then you go to an orthopedist, and now you're getting drugs, injections, oh, those don't work, now you're being pushed to surgery, and everything's about seeing what the problem is and the test to do it and treating it purely from a medical perspective, while completely neglecting the easiest things you can do right now to reduce your pain. And those easy things you can do are changing your movement and changing your lifestyle. These are so easy to reduce your pain, and I'm breaking it down for you today. Now, one thing that should be really comforting to you is that even though there's so many people who experience low back pain, 90% of low back pain is called non-specific, which means it's a combination of joint pain, disc pain, and muscle pain. Vast majority of low back pain should not be feared at all and is very treatable with the right approach. And if you notice that with your low back pain, your pain changes based on the positions you're in or based on the movements you're doing or activities you're doing, then you're in luck, because this means you have something called mechanical low back pain, meaning it's affected by the mechanics of your body. And if you notice this, then your back pain can be resolved with movement, because the vast majority of low back pain is a movement-based problem and you need a movement-based solution. But the majority of healthcare does not give you a movement-based solution. They do passive therapies. Hey, here's your decompression, your laser, your needling, your massage, your drugs, injections. They don't teach you what you can do for yourself. They don't teach you the right movements and exercises that you can do to get yourself out of pain. But that's what we do at RehabFix. I teach you how to fix yourself, because we don't get returning clients to our program. We teach people how to not need us again. And that's why we're so good at what we do. So let's get right into this morning mobility routine so you can start to find some relief. The first movement in this routine begins with our classic cat-cow motion. Now you might be thinking, yeah, okay, this is simple, but why do we start with this motion? We start with this motion because it's a global spine movement. You're getting flexion and extension of your entire spine. It's an easy way to get fluid moving throughout the joints, moving throughout the discs, and to get the whole spine moving prior to getting into more specific isolated movements. So if you're dealing with significant back pain in the morning, this might not be so easy to get right into. So what I encourage you to do is just begin to flex and extend to tolerance, attempting to go a little bit further each time. And if you're someone who tends to notice that rounded positions feels extra painful, so bending forward to touch your toes, sitting long periods, bending over in the morning, then you might notice the rounded portion of this movement might be a little extra sensitive, so you can be a little bit more weary in that direction. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Now, after we've warmed up with our cat-cow, lay on your back, spread both arms out to the side, bring both knees up in a bent position, keep the knees together and feet together. Now rock the knees side to side. This is going to isolate rotation through the low back specifically a little bit more as you're anchoring the rest of your spine with your arms. This is a very gentle movement for majority of individuals. It can help start to isolate some extra movement in the lower back. Now we're going to increase the intensity a little bit. You're going to bring one knee up at a time and pull it across your body. this is still getting rotation through the lower back. However, we're starting to get a little bit of hip involvement as we are stretching that glute with the top leg as we pull it over. Be sure to alternate each sides as we do this, so we're getting spinal rotation both ways and stretching the glutes and hamstrings on both sides as well. This next one is going to work the mid back a little bit more. As you're in a quadruped position, you can sit back a little bit into this position, and now one arm at a time, pull it away from the ground and reach under and through your body, pulling yourself as far as you can through. You will likely feel some cracks and pops through your mid-back. It will feel good as you continue to alternate each side, trying to push a little bit further as we go. Addressing the mid-back is important for lower back issues too, because they are connected. Your mid-back is right above your lower back. And if you do not have adequate movement through the mid-back, it can provide additional stress on your lower back. So if your mid-back is locked up, then your lower back has to do more work through various movements. And we don't want to give the lower back any extra stress than it already has. So we want good spine movement everywhere above and below the lower back. For this next one, we're going to get in a pigeon type pose, but you're going to support yourself in it, reach down and under your lower body as to stretch that bottom hip, that bottom piriformis, that outer glute as much as you can while rotating your spine, and then rotate and reach towards the ceiling as far as you can. More rotation in different areas of your spine while getting your hips and glutes involved. Once again, perform this on both sides. And the next is our 90-90 hinge. This will be a difficult position for many of you, but you can regress it and you can work into it as we go. In our 90-90 position, you're going to hinge forward while keeping your entire spine as straight as you possibly can. The goal here is to move through the hip only, so you can focus the movement and mobility in this region. You're going to feel a very significant stretch through the glute while you're hinging forward. Go as far as you can until your spine begins to round or you feel like you're about to, and then come back up. Perform this repetitively as to stretch and strengthen the muscle even at the same time. Be sure to alternate to the other side and perform it there as well. By addressing the hips more specifically here, we can not only target the muscles of the glute and piriformis, which are aggravated in a lot of individuals with lower back pain, but we're helping to unlock our hips as well as we're improving mobility in the front and rear hip into external and internal rotation. If we loosen up the hips, we unlock our hips, that also takes pressure off the lower back. As you've probably experienced, so many individuals with low back pain will have tight, achy hips because the low back can often refer to the hips, and also tight hips can cause extra stress on the lower back. So once again, we want above and below the low back to be functioning ideally. With each of these movements we just went through, if you perform each one at least 30 seconds, you will notice a night and day difference in how you feel before and after this. Now, when you go to start your day, you're going to notice it's easier to put your socks and shoes on. Driving in the car feels better. At the end of the workday, you're feeling better. And then maybe you can start to get into more activities and fitness-based goals because you're finally starting to feel some relief. Now, there's two things you do not want to miss with this. The first one is consistency. You gotta be consistent. You can't do it once, feel better, and then be like, oh wow, I'm feeling great. Now I'm gonna forget to do it tomorrow. No, you have to be consistent. And the second thing you do not want to miss is that if this helps you feel better, but you notice the results are temporary, then you need more specific movements for your exact condition. This is helpful and has helped so many people reduce their pain, but tons of people need specific movements for their specific problem. So these might not be ideal for you exactly. They can provide some relief, but might not be the full solution you need. So if you'd like to take the guesswork out of this, then there's one thing you can try that has helped our clients achieve as much as 37% reduction in their pain in one session, and others completely eliminate their pain within as little as 15 days. Because it's targeted towards their exact issue, and that is our centralization process. So if you want to dive deeper with me and actually get a structured plan to healing, then just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, and you can get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your low back or sciatica issues following our centralization process. Do it right now so you don't miss the opportunity to finally fix your pain and live the life that you deserve. because you only have one, and you don't deserve to wake up every day reminded of pain and reminded that you aren't living it the way that you want to. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and getting an insight into my life and what I do to keep my low back bulletproof. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in the program real soon.